Deepika Padukone may be linked with some of the hottest men in the country, but we find out who she's got a true soul connection with, and it looks like Pooja Talwar and Deepika have rather similar tastes in soulmates.
Shoe love is definitely true love.
Absolutely. I have a weakness for shoes.
And really and truly, you can never have too many pairs. Well, you need a shoe to suit every occasion and every mood, because everyone knows we women have too many moods.
If I like a pair, I'll want it in every color possible.
Well, shoes definitely tell their own story. My joy.
My joy. Oh God. I think in the literal sense, I think my joy would be a day of no work.
My charm.
My charm. My smile?
My freedom.
My freedom, I think, again, the profession that I'm in and the fact that I live alone.
My wings.
My wings. My work.
My soft.
I can only think of my bed right now.
Well, these babies go by the name of Ferragamo.
Yes, these are the shoes that many women swear they could even go to bed with. These beauties have snugly fit around the feet of your favorite star. And here's your chance to meet the My Ferragamos of your life. Yes, the latest collection of pumps, wedges, loafers and boots by the Italian luxury brand for the well-heeled woman's everyday adventures.
Colorful, it's trendy, it's contemporary, it's for everybody. Specifically very young at heart, very cheerful. And there's a sense of freedom which is reflected in the shoes.
And joining me in my search for the perfect pair was Deepika Padukone. Now, who wouldn't want to be in her soles?
I'm a lot more comfortable in flats. And that's what I like about Ferragamo's new collection, that they're flats that you can wear in the day. You can wear that into the evening, wear it for a dinner, wear it, even if you're wearing a dress and you don't feel like wearing heels, it's still formal enough to wear at night. And also the kind of colors that they have. Even if you're wearing a simple dress, but you can, dress it up with a funky color, say like a fuchsia pink or an electric blue or something.
Well, they're usually right when they say if the shoe fits, it has to be expensive.
It's the only brand which does a wide range of sizes. So when you walk into a Ferragamo store, you're going to get the shoes that fit your size. And that's what I think women should really look for.
And these babies can cost you anywhere between 19,000 to 27,000 rupees.
It takes nothing to possess them. I just think they need to be picked up from the shelf. I mean, they're just waiting to be picked up from the shelf. They're like, pick me up.
But hey, loosen those purse strings, as it's rightly said.
Give a girl the right pair of shoes and she can conquer the world.